Hello guys, welcome to the Wings Mobile Detailing YouTube channel. Today we're detailing this beautiful Mercedes-Benz. 2 years ago, we coated with a Gtechniq ceramic coating. And now we're doing a maintenance wash. Check out some before shots. As you guys can see, the water is still extremely hydrophobic. We haven't even started washing it, just rinsing it first. And the water beats off amazing. We're using the CarPro Reset soap that doesn't contain any waxes or sealants or any polymers. It's specifically made for cars that has been ceramic coated. You'll notice how easy it is to detail the car when it's been coated with ceramic. The bugs comes right off. It's been a while since I've last washed this car, so I'm doing more of an in-depth detail using Iron X as well. You can use any type of light wheel cleaner and apply on the wheels. These wheels are also coated with ceramic. Now we're using the Iron X from CarPro. You don't have to use on every wash, maybe once every 2 years. This will remove any iron contamination from the vehicle. What you don't want to do is clay bar any car that has been coated with ceramic, but you can use an Iron X. Now this is the main step, using the Reload from CarPro. It's a silica spray, just like a spray wax for a wax car, but this is made specifically for a car that has been coated with ceramic. You may also use Reload on every single wash. You may use Reload on every surface of your vehicle, including glass, rims, and the paint. Always make sure to use a clean microfiber towel to apply. You may spray the product directly on the car or on the microfiber towel. Then use a clean one, another dry one, to buff off any excess residue. The Reload will maintain the life of the ceramic coating on your vehicle. It would also increase the shine and restore the hydrophobic properties. Now enjoy the after results. Very simple to maintain a car that has been coated with ceramic. You may contact us at Wings Mobile Detailing if you have any questions about applying ceramic coating on your vehicle.